Are you recording?
Yeah. Look at this. Jackson. Where's Jackson?
No, Jackson.
Oh yeah, I'll show you Jackson. Definitely this.
Yeah. All this fat food.
Yeah, well, it's good food.
It's so cheap. Oyster in there. You should try that. Hey, take a picture of that. Video of that.
Yeah, I am.
What should you want?
Well, one of those big ones.
Not a big one.
Yeah.
好些吗？
哇，你几位来几个？
好小些啊，比啊。
里面多少位置啊？牛排吗？牛排、猪排、铁板面哦。来，这个位置几个？这边有这边有牛排。牛肉面。
来几位？
Hey, did you hear that chick? She had like an American accent. The guy heard you. He's like, "You hungry? Are you come eat?" I'm still recording, eh? This bloody road goes on for ages. Show you like 5 minutes of the street, so someone they'll be like, "I'm hungry," like.